Hi, boys and girls. I hope you had a nice weekend. So, today we're going to have a new way of teaching. It's going to be me talking, but you also talking and participating as well. And the way you're going to do this is when I say your turn, you're either going to repeat, answer a question, or you can point to the screen to help answer the question too, okay? So, on Friday, I had you identify the letter S and the letter T, and you completed a little activity on the computer. So we are going to explore some pictures that start with the letter S. So words that begin with the letter S and words that begin with the letter T. So I want you guys to tell me, what is this letter? Good, S. And the S says S. What does the letter S say? Good. So we're going to play a little game. It's called I Spy. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to describe a picture, and you're going to point to the picture on the screen to tell me what it is that I'm describing. So I spy with my blue eyes the sun. Can you show me the sun? Good job. This is the sun. So something a little harder. I spy with my blue eyes a boy swimming. Can you show me the boy swimming? Good job. This is the boy swimming. I spy with my blue eyes something that you do outside on a jungle gym. If you said swing set, you're right. The swings. I spy a boy getting some rest. If you chose this picture, great job. He's doing what? He's sleeping. Yes. Sleeping starts with the letter S. I spy with my blue eyes an animal. Show me the animal. Good. Do you know what this animal is called? A sloth. And do you think a sloth is slow or fast? Yes, slow. They're very slow animals. Sloth. Good job. Now we are going to identify the letter T, words that begin with the letter T, with the T sound. So I spy with my blue eyes something that has a shell. Yes, a turtle. Point to the turtle. I spy with my blue eyes something that's on a car and is the shape of a circle. Fantastic. You pointed to the tire. Tire. I spy with my blue eyes something we watch our cartoons on or our favorite TV shows. Can you point to it? Fantastic. The TV or television. I spy something that's outside and has a trunk and is big, usually. Tree. Awesome job, guys. Tree. I spy something that I chew with. You need this to chew. And you should brush it every single morning and every single evening at night before you go to bed. Yes, it's teeth. Teeth. I spy a boy, and he's carrying a book bag that looks really heavy. Good. If you pointed to this picture, you're right. And the boy is what? He is tired. You guys did such an amazing job. So what I want you to do is I want you to trace or write the letter T and the letter S. And then you could look with your mom or your dad, look around your house and tell me if anything starts with the letter S or T. Okay? Thanks. Bye.